Please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get notification for more informative videos.
Squat right. People say to me, "Oh, I can't squat, it hurts my knees," and then they go and pick up their bag of groceries from the floor, Hager says. The point, you squat all the time, so it's essential that you learn to do it properly. For women, that means turning your toes out slightly. This simple fix allows your femur to line up properly in the hip joint. Hack your genetics. Ever hear that you can't change your genes? That's only partially true. While you can't change your genetic makeup, you can change how certain genes are expressed, that is, how much they do whatever they do. And strength training is one of the best ways to do that. Play on the brain gym. Exercise is a physical crossword puzzle, Hager likes to say. The more activity you can do that also engages your brain, the better. Do more cardio than you think you need. While US guidelines call for 150 minutes of cardio per week, Hager's examination of research found that 240 minutes per week is optimal for heart health. Make your two brains talk to each other. Include some moves where you cross your legs and arms over the midline of your body. Why? The connection between the right and left hemispheres of your brain deteriorates as you age, which causes brain farts, technical name, brain delays, as the hemispheres have trouble communicating with one another, Hager explains. Embrace high-impact activity. A lot of older people are afraid to jump because it'll hurt the knees or hips. But that's bogus, because you need to jump in everyday life. Get the BAM. The average American walks only 2,000 steps per day, but experts recommend 10,000. 7,500 steps a day is what we Canadians call the BAM. We have told you all the amazing exercises and tips for anti-aging. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Like our Facebook page too.